Hey guys, welcome to Tech Stop. Today's video is all about amazing wood carving machines. These mesmerizing machines transform plain old wood into incredible works of art and functional furniture. If this list amazes you, let us know with a like. It helps us out a lot. Let's get right into it with the most satisfying wood carving machines in the world. Number 10. Bob's CNC E3 CNC Router Kit. Bob's CNC E3 is a unique wood carving machine designed for DIY woodworkers around the world. It's an at-home or in-shop CNC superstar. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control, which converts 3D models produced by computer-aided design, or CAD software, into coordinates that act as a numerical blueprint for wood carving mechanisms. Bob's CNC E3 is one of the best budget-friendly options on this list. At only 26 pounds, this machine is also one of the lightest options on the list as well, due to its variable material construction. This router kit is unique because it requires some extensive assembly. There's definitely a level of pride in building something with your own two hands, and Bob's CNC E3 CNC Router Kit will give you that pride from initial assembly all the way to your first finished project and beyond, as it works with you to make your vision come to life. Number 9. Inventables X-Carve. The X-Carve has a familiar design with a standard grid layout for alignment. What sets this machine apart from the rest is its amazing software. The X-Carve is integrated with Inventables Cloud architecture, and it comes with Easel, an excellent machine interfacing tool. The software bundle alone makes it easy for beginners to get used to the woodworking process, making this an excellent first buy. You'll be amazed at how clean this machine can mill, and the X-Carve will keep you inspired to keep working with wood for years to come. Number 8. New Wave Automation CNC Piranha FX. The Piranha FX has a sleek industrial look that comes with all the features you'd expect from a top-of-the-line woodworking machine. Although it's the base model in the Piranha lineup, the Piranha FX features 3D digital duplicator touch probes that allow tracing and duplication of objects down to 1/100th of an inch. Touchscreen controls make operation a breeze, and it works best with medium to heavyweight woods with lower backlash and wobble. The Piranha FX is another more affordable option while still being a top-of-the-line wood carving king. Number 7. Interex TMC 1500. This premium industrial combination lathe and CNC machining center is an absolute beast of a machine. It's hard to beat the satisfying view of watching this machine go to work. It looks like the wood is just being peeled off like a wrapper. It's crazy. Independent router heads allow for extreme flexibility, and the Interex TMC 1500 even has an automatic tool changer to make workflow unbelievably smooth. The CNC machining center has 5 interpolated axes and a total of 9 axes to make short work of any wood project you throw at it. Number 6. Carbide 3D Nomad. This compact, fully assembled machine has a clear shield and a tall bamboo side to keep your work surfaces clean and wood chips and shavings neatly contained. This super satisfying entry creates amazing designs out of wood and looks great while doing it. With stained and sealed wooden sides, the Carbide Nomad definitely feels more homey than the other options on this list. Make no mistake though, it's still an industrial powerhouse capable of bringing to life your CAD projects in no time. To top it all off, the Nomad comes with unique jigs and powerful software that's easy to use. While this machine might not be as raw as the others on the list, it's perfect for users who want a quieter, cleaner option that adds visual value to your workspace. Number 5. Next Wave Automation CNC Shark HD4. This burgundy beauty is as luxurious looking as it is precise. With a reinforced gantry and interlocking aluminum table, this sturdy wood carving machine will get the job done and look great doing it. Its new touchscreen controller is intuitive and works just like a smartphone to allow you to run programs from a flash drive. To make it even more impressive, this compact woodworking wonder is compatible with large routers, making it even more convenient, especially for repetitive runs. Number 4. Jet JWL 1221 VS. With a variable spindle speed range of 60 to 3,600 RPM, the JWL 1221 VS is an insanely good personal and professional use lathe. This top-tier lathe is built for maximum user control and is unmatched by any other lathe on the market for speed control. This means that beginners and experienced woodworkers can make optimal use of this power machine. Its super sleek design is no frills, and the JWL has a sturdy frame for peace of mind and for safety. Number 3. JFT CNC 3040 CNC Router Milling Machine. This powerhouse gets jobs done right, with a Z-axis workable range of up to 90 millimeters. This unique design of its base keeps the machine relatively lightweight without sacrificing stability, and its groove design makes cleaning a breeze. Built-in USB connectivity ensures universal compatibility with your CAD workstation. If safety is on your mind, creators Shenzhen JFT Co. in China went the extra mile to ensure all components have passed European CE certification. With its two-phase stepping motor, the 3040 can carve a maximum thickness of 120 millimeters, with speeds ranging from 50 millimeters a minute to a respectable 4,000 millimeters a minute. That's not all. The machine is also capable of carving stone as well, so if you've ever considered venturing out into other carving projects, the 3040 is a safe bet. Number 2. CMS Eras. While most entries can fit on a desktop and are aimed at the at-home user, the CMS Eras is a full CNC center aimed at industrial use. Designers have spent 30 years working on their proprietary electro spindles that are capable of ultrasonic milling. All 3 working units are liquid-cooled and have a maximum speed of 24,000 RPM. It's an absolute monster with normal power consumption ranging from 12 to 20 kilowatts. Don't let its size and cold-edged exterior fool you. This machine is capable of some incredibly satisfying wood carving. Sure, it's out of the price range of many professionals, but it's nice to be able to marvel at one of the industry's biggest and best. The CMS Eras is even designed for multiple professions. Of course, it can tackle woodworking projects, but it can also work on applications for motorboats, buses and trucks, and even aerospace projects. Number 1. Carbide 3D Shape Yoko. As the most recent winner of the A11 3DP Editor's Choice CNC, the Carbide 3D Shape Yoko is an astounding machine capable of the most satisfying wood carvings imaginable. With 3 different size models, the Shape Yoko 3, the Shape Yoko XL, and the Big Boy, the Shape Yoko XXL, this lineup is perfect for all project sizes. All 3 models feature easy assembly and a no-nonsense design so you can get up and running without any delay. Its popularity among woodworkers means you're always able to find answers to questions, tips, guides, and so much more thanks to its expansive community and experienced user base. The Shape Yoko is a collaborative design between Carbide and Ford that combines the immense infrastructure of Ford with the experience and specialization of Carbide. It's come a long way from its original open-source design, but it's still extremely customizable, making it the perfect option for tinkerers. It has great flexibility too, able to cut wood, plastics, and aluminum. With a gigantic cutting area, intuitive software, and powerful DeWalt DWP 611 spindle, the Shape Yoko lives up to its reputation as one of the best and most satisfying wood carving machines on the market. These amazingly satisfying wood carving machines merge the best aspects of creativity and productivity, enabling craftsmen and women to work smarter, not harder. It feels great to see your works of art come to life thanks to these high-tech machines. Could you see yourself using any of these CNCs or lathes? Which of these was most satisfying to watch? Let us know in the comments below. If these machines satisfied you, let us know with a like, and subscribe to TechStop for more amazing videos like this.